Okay, hi everyone, welcome back again to me, and in this video I would like to read some article again. And before I start, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. And yeah, in this article the title is European Stocks Future Edge Higher, EU Energy Summit in Focus. This article by Peter North, investing.com. European stock markets are expected to open with modest gains Friday, tracking an extended recovery on Wall Street ahead of key EU meeting to discuss plans to tackle the region's energy crisis. At 2:80, 6 GMT, the DAX future contract in Germany traded 0.2% higher. CAC 50 futures in France climbed 0.4% and the FTSE 100 futures contract in the UK rose 0.4%. Wall Street's main indexes posted gains on Tuesday, with the blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average closing almost 200 points or 0.6% higher. This positive close has helped the tone Europe Friday, but gains are likely to be tentative ahead of the meeting European Union energy minister to discuss the 27 nation bloc's response to the energy crisis, including potentially agreeing on the imposition of a price cap on gas imports from Russia. Soaring gas prices are threatening to push some of the European countries heavily dependent on supplies from Russia into rationing as winter approaches, potentially shutting down industries and sending the region into recession. A few weeks like this and the European economy will just go into a full stop. Recovering from that is going to be much more complicated than intervening in gas market today. Belgian Prime Minister Alexander De Croo said Thursday in an interview with Bloomberg News the risks of that is the industrialization and severe risk of fundamental social unrest. New UK Prime Minister Liz Truss announced its plans on Thursday to cap consumer energy bill for 2 years and prop up power companies, a move which could cost Britain about £150 billion. This comes the day after the European Central Bank raised interest rates by an unprecedented 75 basis points on Thursday and pointed toward further increases in the months ahead to tame runaway inflation. Additionally, U.S. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell reiterated the central bank's hawkish stance on Thursday, stating that strong action was needed to combat inflation. The European economic calendar is largely empty Friday, but investors could focus on France and Spain's July industrial production data for clues on how the region industrial base is coping with soaring energy price. Oil price edged higher Friday, rebounding from an 8-month low, but are set for a second straight weekly decline as aggressive monetary policy tightening and China's COVID-19 curbs waiting on demand data released Thursday by the Energy Information Administration showed a large build-up of crude inventories of 8.8 million barrels last week, more than that reported by the industry body API on Wednesday, creating doubt about the strength of demand from the world's largest consumer. However, this build is likely to have been exaggerated by the government releasing crude stockpiles from the country's strategic petroleum reserve. So maybe that's all from me. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and see you in the next video.